real honoured and privileged to be here. It's a dream come true, actually. Yeah, when I was a little kid, I was born here in Fiji, so when I was a little kid, I always wanted to represent Fiji in any other sports. So to be part of this is really exciting and a big privilege.
So you was born in Fiji, and when did you move to New Zealand?
I was born in Fiji and moved to New Zealand when I was third form actually, yeah, third form, and lived there since then.
So which school were you attending here in Fiji before you go?
I attended Stelmai's primary school
Yeah?
here and then moved to New Zealand.
With your family?
Yeah, with the family.
Right. So you've been part of the national team now for Dubai and South Africa? Or you're not traveling? Or
Yeah,
you're not traveling?
still part of the extended squad, but
So-
working my way there.
So what's your, why do you want to come back and represent Fiji?
Like I said, when I was young, I always wanted to represent Fiji and come back to my own country. Even though I live in New Zealand, I always have that passion, still Fijian and still want to come to Fiji, my hometown, my home. Nothing feels like home, coming back and representing your country. So yeah.